Bed Bath & Beyond took back their filing for selling more shares to raise money and the vote for the reverse split. What does that mean? I don't know. Maybe it means they have a buyer. Maybe it means they wouldn't be allowed to do it while they're in bankruptcy proceedings to sell securities in a company that's going to die as it gets delisted. I don't know. But I have stupidly bought 250 call options for June 16th at 50 cents because they were 2 cents each. So I bought them. Either it's going to be a $500 write-off or it's going to be something that's some good walking around money. But don't be like me. I'm an idiot. But that's what I did. Kelly Reed also wants MMAT starts. We should officially all wear red bandanas and kitty t-shirt on our Rowan Kitty. I have a Citadel on Fire t-shirt someone gave me 2 years ago that I've been waiting to wear for when Citadel's on fire. I've not worn it yet. It's pristine. It's been sitting there just waiting to be worn on one of these shows, and I'm itching for it. And I just haven't been able to wear it yet because Citadel is not yet on fire like it should be. Jason Blackwell, Houston, ran out of shirts with anti-Semitic imagery? Yes. Oh. I can't believe I didn't notice that those pinwheels look like swastikas before I put the shirt on. I don't know if I've ever worn that shirt before. I think it's something that was like a Christmas gift or something from years ago. No me gusta. Aaron Salentine bought a 50-cent call option on BBBY. Cost me $1. Expires in 6 weeks. A beat. Yeah. I mean, we should know pretty much if a buyer's coming through maybe in the next week, if that's serious. Once it gets delisted and there's no buyer, then things might be a little tenuous from there as to whether a buyer will be successful. But I think next week should be interesting. It's all gambling, though. It's all gambling. Anna, what are your thoughts on B-Big? That's my thoughts on B-Big. I'm so currently hosed by those assholes. They just tripped over their dicks for 8 months. They're like, hey, we're going to do a crypto dividend. And we're going to do a spin-off. It's going to be awesome. And then they didn't do it. And then they didn't do it, and then they didn't do it. They kept setting dates, and then going, oh, no, I'm going to do that date. And setting another date, oh, I'm not going to do that. So now I'm not going to do that date. And then they all sued each other. And then stock got halted, and the Cryptide dividend was supposed to release at $10 and was like down to 50 cents in no time. Now it's worth nothing whatsoever. Just a bunch of clowns running that company. And I just don't get it. Just let's spend $500 million a quarter and make nothing. And then trip over our dicks the entire time. They may bounce back. I don't know, but it doesn't seem like anyone competent is on a board of that company, and they get these big ideas and have no ability to follow through, and that seems to be where we are. Their best bet for them would be for TikTok to get banned by the U.S. government, which Facebook is trying to do and YouTube's trying to do. Like, hey, everyone should ban that company because we're going to take over, and then their short video format program will take over. But if that doesn't happen, they're just going to be flopping around like a fish on the beach. So I don't have too much high hopes for them at the moment. Decatur Raw, happy birthday, Houston. Just checked on the sweet BBBY options. Strike of $1 for June 19th, going for $2 a contract. Check 20 or for 45 with commissions. And if I got $5, that's 22K I'm in. The upside is very big. The downside is you have your tax write-off for next year. That's basically what it is. I'm not saying put your life savings into it. Don't. Only invest your play money. That's the only thing you should ever invest. Is like, well, I could go to get a nice dinner, or I could play this stupid stock. That's all you should ever play with when messing with things like this. But the upside could be very big. And the downside could be you have your tax write-off for next year. Do not put anything to BBBY that you will miss or you need. Like if it's pay rent or throw some money at BBBY, pay your rent. do that. Make sure, you know, your alimony or kids are taken care of or whatever. Like, do that first. If you've got some leftover dineros, have fun with it and use it as an entertainment expense. But that's all you should do with it. Dustin Wright, 90-day rule. A judge of a court record may not receive salary while any cause before the judge remains pending and undetermined for 90 days after it has been submitted for decision. Oh. That'd be hilarious. Like, sorry, sir, you're not getting paid this month because you waited 92 days to make a decision. Lee Meadows, Houston, I have 7,000 Bed Bath & Beyond, cost average at 15 cents. Do you think Monday, Tuesday it will bounce a bit? Not a clue. I don't think there's going to be much happening with Bed Bath & Beyond unless they announce they have an offer. Then it will go like crazy. But if there's no announcements of an offer, I see it continuing to drop. Or just maybe it will hold like that 10 cents level until it stops trading on the NASDAQ on the 3rd. But I don't think it's without positive news of someone making an offer to buy the company. I don't think the stock's going to do much. So, you know, just sit on it and wait. Or get rid of it and take the loss. But either way, you're in it for nothing or everything. My 1,000 shares, I think the average is 27 cents. So I'm way down there at the moment. USB, US Bank Corp. Okay. Looking forward to Monday. Me too. And then B Sizzo. You see the blue shirt requests include metamaterial. As the folks said, cool. I'll take it. Yeah. All right. Did I make it to the end? I made it to the end. I made it to the end of the chat. Chat has come to an end. Whoa. Delisting before market opens on Wednesday. Is that the 3rd? Wednesday? Yes. So hopefully something weird happens on Monday or Tuesday. That's the goal. There's something weird to happen, and then it's an OTC Q stock after that.